You know when a fridge light turns on when the doors open and it gets brighter inside? That's kind of what we're going to build here today. We're using an LDR or a light dependent resistor, or some call it a photoresistor, that powers on when it detects light. This is great for solar tracking indicators, robotic eyes, and other projects where you need it to light up when it detects the sunrise or a little bit of light. Now let's get this wired up and see the glow in action. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. We're going to need a few items for this build. We're going to need an LED or a wired LED with a resistor in it. We're either going to need quick connects or some solder to solder the joints together, and I'm going to show you how to do both. We're going to need a connector for our battery and our battery. And we're going to need a photoresistor. Now let's get building it with our quick connects first, and then I'll show you how to solder everything together. First, we're going to connect our light dependent resistor or photoresistor to the quick connect. We're going to take two quick connects and put one lead in each side. Now we're going to take the black wire, which is the negative to the LED, and we're going to connect it to one quick connect. Then we're going to take the other black wire from the battery connector and connect it to one of the quick connects. And then we're going to take the red wire, which is our positive for the battery, and we're going to connect it to the quick connect. And then we're going to take the LED's blue wire, in this case it is the positive, and connect it to the positive of the battery. And as you can see, once we connect the battery, the LED lights up, and if we cover up the photoresistor, the light dims. Now let's get soldering. It's time to solder all our joints. We're going to use the soldering iron with a helping hand. So I forgot solder, and I had to borrow some from my neighbor Gary, who, thank goodness, is technical like I am and likes this stuff. So let's get everything soldered together, and we'll add our battery and see if it works. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull apart our two wires, and we're going to solder them together. So let's first strip them. And if you do solder, a helping hand is one of the best things you could use. So we're going to just twist these wires together first. We're going to take our soldering iron, and we're just going to put a drop of solder on it. If you're interested in learning how to solder, I have a video on my channel that shows the basics. I'll put a link in the description. Now that is soldered, and we can see we got a good strong joint, we're going to just keep going around, and we're going to solder all the wires. Okay. Now we have everything wired. So we have our LED, which is connected to our photoresistor, which is connected to our battery. So let's put our battery in. And you see it lit up as soon as the battery even touched it. So you can see here the LED is bright. As soon as we cover it up, it starts dulling. So if we completely cover it, just grab something to cover it with. But if we completely cover it up, let me just find something, and we block out all the light, we see the LED goes completely dark. And once again, we open up the photoresistor to the light, and it lights up. Now, this is sort of the way your refrigerator works, right? Either it's a switch or a sensor like this, where when it senses light, it turns on. But if you think about how your refrigerator works, this is a very similar concept. It goes dark, LED goes off. You open the fridge door, LEDs go on. And just like that, lights hit the photoresistor and the LED fires up. It's super handy for projects you need to respond to natural or artificial light. And I have a plan for it in an upcoming project. Now, if you're interested in the exact opposite, an LED that lights up when it gets dark, I have a video planned for that also, so make sure you like and follow. For more on 3D printing, DIY, and maker projects, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making.